Guys, welcome back to my channel and also welcome back to today's video. If you are new here, my name is nneomaokoroo. I officially welcome you guys to the family. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I use aloe vera for massive hair growth. Do you ring a bell? So guys, let's dive into the video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. Currently, this is how my hair looks like my hair is a mess. My hair really needs help, and that is exactly what I'm about to do. I'm about to help my hair. So here we have our aloe vera, and we have banana and egg. We also have our hair oil. So guys, if you don't have avocado, you can use banana, or if you don't have banana, you can use avocado. Both works very well. So first thing I'm doing here is to wash my aloe vera very well, because it's very important. If you do not wash all those yellow stuff out, you are going to be experiencing itching scalp, and which you don't want that. So I make sure to wash it very well before using it, because it is very important. Though sometimes you can I usually use warm water to wash it off, but here I'm just using normal water to wash it very well. So after washing it very well, I cut off the bad parts, then cut it into pieces so that it will be easy for me to scoop out the aloe vera.
Turn the beat up in the headphones for me. Yeah, yeah, that's good. Said you've been looking for love where you done found it. Nothing else can compare whenever you're around me. And I've been thinking what we have is so real. And I'm in love with how you're making me feel. And no, I never thought I'd love again. And now I'm falling back in love again. And I see my life with you as my best friend. No, I don't want it to ever end. No, boy, you know you got me hooked on you, got me hooked on you. I'm so got me hooked on you. I'm so in love with you. Oh, got me hooked on you, got.
So this is all the aloe vera, but at this point my hand is going to serve as blender, because blender is not available. So guys, you can always blend yours to make sure that everything is well blended. But me, I am not blending mine because my hand is doing the blending. So I'm just going to strain out the gel to make sure the particles are not there, because I want the washing to be easy for me.
Turn the beat up in the headphones for me. Yeah, yeah, that's good. Said you've been looking for love where you done found it. Nothing else can compare whenever you're around me. And I've been thinking what we have is so real. And
So my next ingredient is banana. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing I did with the aloe vera, because blender is also not available. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my spoon to mash it very well, to make sure that at least is smooth enough. Guys, you know that there is nothing you can do for banana to go off your hair so easily. So just make sure you wash your hair very well. So I added 1 tablespoon of oil. What I have here is clove oil. And the next thing, I'm adding my egg. So lastly, I added my aloe vera gel, then mix everything very well. So guys, this is how our mixture looks like, or rather how my mixture looks like. Guys, I do this at least once in a month. It is very, very important to always use hair mask on your hair. So this is how it looks. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this mixture into my hair.
Turn the beat up in the headphones for me. Yeah, yeah, that's good.
Guys, if you want to grow a longer and a healthy hair, try this mixture out and thank me later. So this is what I usually do every month. Last day of the month, I usually do this to make sure that my hair is in order. Guys, I love this mixture, especially knowing very well that I made it myself and I know exactly what I am feeding to my hair. This mixture helps to grow my hair very well. Like, it promotes hair growth and it also helps to reduce excess dirty from my scalp. This mixture serves as detangler and deep conditioner. So if you don't like store-bought conditioner, trust me, you are going to love this mixture. So just try it out and you'll see the result.
Turn the beat up in the headphones for me. Yeah, yeah, that's good. Said you've been looking for love where you done found it. Nothing else can compare whenever you're around me. And I've been thinking why we have it so real. And I'm in love with how you're making me feel.
So after detangling my hair very well, I'm going to wear my shower cap to let it stay for like an hour or more, then come back for my normal wash day because I need to wash my hair very well. Hey, I don't want to see chunks of banana on my hair, so I'm going to come back to wash my hair. Please don't mind my dancing skill, I don't know how to dance. So guys, after washing my hair, this is how I styled my hair. Thank you guys for watching. Like, honestly, you guys are the best. Bye.